Hi, greetings, good morning dear friends, good afternoon, good evening. So, if you didn't have time to meditate this morning, if you set the intention last night, oh God, I must get up and meditate. Yeah, as it happens, life gets in the way. You just didn't get the time to do it. Let's do it now, alright? So the beauty of meditation and breath work is that you can do it anywhere, anytime. You don't have to have a formal practice. That's one of the things a lot of people say to me, they haven't got time to meditate. But for me, you can meditate anywhere. Meditation is just simply a moment where you take to yourself, right, like now, I'm just about to cross the road, yeah? So let's just literally, whilst I'm waiting to cross the road, let's just place our hand on our heart, lower your shoulders, oh, that feels good. Lift your toes up, breathe in, lift your toes up, exhale. And then cross the road. Look left, look right, and cross the road. See? So anywhere on your busy commute to work or out and about